Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk. What a year it has been as it relates to crime and violence, and we have seen so much situations that is very sad to report on. And this is just one in another of many that we have covered so far. So this incident took place in St. Anne, in which the police are reporting that three bodies were found on a deserted road, and we're about to bring you up to date with that. So, the bullet-riddled bodies of four males were found on a deserted road near Wat Town in St. Anne's on Saturday afternoon. The identities of the males have not so far been ascertained, but they are believed to be from St. Anne's addresses. So, according to the preliminary report, around 3:30 p.m., the males were traveling in a motor vehicle when it was allegedly shot up by gunmen. The bodies were found shortly after. Head of the St. Anne's Police Superintendent Carlos Russell is confirming the incident and said that the police are currently investigating the matter and that they have so far not established any motive for this latest shooting incident. According to the superintendent, that they are still investigating the matter and that it is still at early stage of the investigation. But based on what is understood is that the persons were traveling in a motor car and it appears that they were shot up in the vehicle. The police further said that they don't know any more information as it relates to the incident and that the police are currently carrying out a massive investigation in order to ascertain what really transpired that led to their demise. When you see a situation such as this being played out where three individuals is taken out one time is a cause of concern. And we really don't know what these individuals were involved in, but this triggered the individuals that they had the fraction with to take them out. And it's a very sad situation to report on, but when we look on what is going on, especially for this year, it's very sad to see what's transpiring right across the world, in the Caribbean, and in most countries yet so far, with the number of criminal activities and the spades of murders that have so far taken over. In this latest incident, this took place in St. Anne's on a deserted roadway. It's not clear why these individuals were traveling on this deserted road, whether or not they were about to meet someone or they were called to the area by someone known to them. But what happened here is that someone had planned to execute them and they carried out this in the most grievous and most deadly way. All three individuals seriously taken out with gunshots. And I can tell you, I can just imagine what the families of these individuals are going through at this time. And it's very difficult to see what is going on. But I've always said before, we have to try to keep ourselves from situations that will lead to things like these, because most of the time these individuals, they are involved in certain activities, and when they fall out with the persons that they're involved in or what they're involved in, it then turn deadly based on the fraction that then develop between the company that they keep. So it's very sad to see what happened here, and we have not able to identify the ages of these males just yet, but once more information becomes available to us, we'll be sure to update you. But I'm just appealing to the people out there, the general public, the gangsters, the bad man, the gunman, whatever you are, or whatever you describe yourself of, please, I'm begging you, just try to find some other means and ways of settling your issues with your rival party. Taking their life doesn't end the problem. because most of the time when these situations happen, it then turn into reprisal and reprisal after reprisal. Now these individuals, they were on their road to somewhere. What led to their demise still puzzles the authority, still puzzles the family member, but something went down that led to the individuals in question to want to take them out in such a vicious manner. But as I implore you and use my platform, try to find some other means of settling differences at times. Resorting to violent acts of criminality and murder is not the answer to the problem. And I've used this platform over and over just to appeal to the youth, appeal to the young man, appeal to the general public at large. At times, us try to see another avenue, look on the other side. But I've said it over and over again. It seems like most of the time my voice is just falling on deaf ears because I have to keep on reporting on so much criminal acts of violence at times. And at times it becomes so overburdened to see what is happening in our world. It's like our world don't have any love. The love is totally gone from the world. And I just want to see love and peace in our world, but it's not gonna be easy just like that because this did not happen overnight. These are ongoing problems that have been stemming from years now. Sometimes some of them does even develop in months. And I know that the authorities are working tediously in order to curb the rapid pace of criminal acts and violence. However, they still have a far way to go. But when we look on what is going on in our world, it's a cause for concern. And it's very sad to see the number of people lives that are being taken over some simple matters that could have been resorted in a different way. It's very sad and it's very alarming. I hope that this video does reach the heart of someone, and I hope that if you have a problem with someone, try to find someone to talk it out with and not resort to violence, because we are seeing how it is ravaging our country. We have seen how it has turned our country upside down. We are seeing how it is damaging our tourism product, and it's not a good look on the international scene as well. And we really need to start think about our country, think about the future of our country, instead of us resorting to certain acts of criminality and violence, even against females. We have seen so many females losing their life through criminal acts of violence and even domestic dispute, which is very sad. I believe I'm gonna leave this one here for now though. I just ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and just click that notification bell so whenever we are here to discuss a topic or just to discuss anything that is out there that we believe needs to be addressed, you're here or you can join us. So have a blessed and productive day. This is Lynx signing out from Lynx TV. Peace out. Bless.